Another episode of Cook, Eat and Rejoice with All Tribes. On today's episode, we'll be having an amazing guest. Who am I talking about? A gospel singer, an MC, a presenter. Ladies and gentlemen, with clapping ovations, shouting ovations, coming back up our guest on today's show. Thank you so much for coming on the show with me today. Alright, can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Solomon Ken, popularly known as Solomon Ken.
Okay.
I'm a gospel artist, a musician, an MC,
alright,
also a radio presenter.
Alright, thank you so much. So what will you be preparing for us on today's show?
I'm going to be preparing Efo Riro.
Okay.
Efo Riro.
Oh, which kind of Efo? Is Efo like Meji, Mejo, Meta?
Oh, Lali, come on, you're making it. Like what I'm having here is going to be like Efo Meji, because we have a combination of cow skin here, and also fish.
Alright.
And the king of everything.
Oh,
our belly meat here.
Alright, beautiful people, it is our ritual to do something before we start cooking. We have to wash our hands and put on our apron, and we will be right back.
Catch you.
So beautiful people, we are right back. Can you please introduce your ingredients to us?
Well, first and foremost, we have our pepper here, chilling, scotch bonnet plus onions. We have our palm oil, our vegetable oil, our salt, seasoning, locust beans, cow skin, our fish, our onions, our stock, meat, then the pounded potato itself plus the vegetables too.
Alright, thank you so much. So what's the first thing that we'll be doing now?
Now the first thing we're going to be doing now is deep burning our real deep, the Efo itself.
Okay, so alright, so
I have my pot here. You can now get your palm oil.
alright.
Allow the palm oil
to
heat for like a few seconds.
Alright.
And after which you have your onions there.
Alright. So we'll be adding our onions.
Just watch me when I'm doing this. Add the onions first.
Okay.
Oh, I love the sound. So, and the next thing for us to do, you get your locust beans.
Alright.
You have it as well.
Okay.
After which, you get the beans and pepper. Add it to it.
Okay.
After you've added your pepper, you get your seasoning. And for the couple of those that like using salt, a pinch of salt is okay.
Alright.
After adding a pinch of salt, we allow the pepper to cook for like 10 minutes before we now add an ingredient.
Alright. Let me open with the cover.
The next thing for us to do is for us to make our stew.
Alright.
For our meat.
Okay.
So like we did for our veg sauce, our veg sauce, you allow the pot to dry for a few seconds, and you pour your vegetable oil, which is what I'm going to do now. After which, you get your onions.
Alright.
Then you get your pepper. You get your seasoning cube.
Okay.
Just for you to have a sense of salt, a pinch of salt is okay too.
Alright.
So I will only be adding a spoon of stock
Alright.
to it because we've already had our seasoning cubes and salt variable, so there won't be so much sultry.
Yeah.
So just a spoon.
Okay.
So when you're done adding all your ingredients to it, then you cover up for like 5 minutes before you add your meat to it.
Alright.
Back to our vegetable sauce.
Alright.
Open after 5 minutes. You add your cow skin. This is what I call old Benetton. Because
oh my god.
there's a difference between Ole Kenke
and
old Benetton. After which you add your cow skin to it.
Okay.
Then you now go for your fish.
Okay, so we'll be adding our smoked fish now.
Fish.
Okay, that reminds me. Can anyone use any type of fish, like any other type of fish?
You can use Arbori.
Okay.
You can use Express.
Okay.
You can use Titus.
Alright.
You can use Mullet.
Alright.
You can use Alaro.
Alright.
In fact, name them. And most especially for the kind of veg, I always recommend catfish.
Okay. So in case we can get catfish,
It's and the dried catfish.
Okay.
Wow. What a wow. Oh, happy day.
Hey, this guy is terrible. Look here.
No. This is what we call fantabulous.
Alright.
So after which you've done all those necessary things, the next thing for you to do is to add your veg. Rejoice cream.
Yup.
You are enjoying.
Because
if you are eating this kind of veg every day, there's no way you may do that is not going to be transformed to your cellular.
Thank you. I think that's the reason why I'm having a noise.
Happy many returns.
Yeah.
Oh, we will please. We are making something spicy like this. You can still add your stock to it.
Okay.
So I get my stock and hand pot.
Alright.
Then you stir. After which, you time yourself for like 4-5 minutes.
Okay.
So, back to our sauce.
Alright.
We open. Oh my wow. It's almost cooked.
Okay.
Then, you can now add your meat to it.
Alright.
This is what I call after the reggae play the illusion. Enjoy your food, you make it move. You put the job for outside. You want to have the kind of work on the law. The kind of food is supposed to prepare for your meat.
Okay.
Over the stew.
Alright.
Just for like a minute. Because the stew is already cooked now.
Okay, so
The next thing for us to do is for us to prepare handle potato.
alright, let me like this. Okay.
We have a pot. There's no need for us to dry pot what we are going to use anymore.
Okay.
All what you just have to do is for us to add our water at 100 degrees Celsius.
Alright. Wow. Wow.
Sorry, are you feeling what I'm feeling?
I'm feeling it. I love the way I'm feeling now.
Can you see what I'm seeing?
I can see it.
The veg is done already.
Okay.
You come back to your sauce.
Alright.
Stir. As you can see, it's done too.
Okay. You're feeling yourself, right?
Here, let me have a come on, sorry, you're coming. I've got a vegetable at all the time, and it could have some. Hey! Turn up the heat.
Alright. Okay, yeah.
So, our water now is boiled already. Don't forget, 100 degrees Celsius.
Alright.
So you get your pound potato.
Okay.
So, but you can just decide to remove little because of the additional water stuff. So you begin to have your pound. My people, we are done.
Okay, so now, beautiful people, our pando potato, vegetable soup, Efo Riro, and our sauce for the beef sauce is ready. Okay, now let's serve this as we welcome our guests for them to come and taste your food or our food.
Our food.
Our food. All right, we'll be right back. So beautiful people, our guests are in here, so they're about to dig in there and reward us. They have to score our food. So thank you so much for coming. Our guests can eat now.
Pound of potato. I love the texture. It is very smooth, like super smooth.
Okay.
There is no lumps, cocoa, and it is super smooth, like very smooth. And the vegetable, it's not too spicy. It's just perfect, like not too spicy at all. And I really love the meat because it is well cooked, like very soft, like super soft. And all this color, like you take one swallow, you meet more, you meet fish. That's actually how I love my vegetable soup. So it is really nice.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
But we rate this meal. I'll give you 85%.
85.
Yes.
That's a pass mark.
Alright. So,
To correlate what you said earlier, the pound, the texture is actually very smooth. That's why I love to take my swallow. Not too hard and not too soft. And the soup as well, there's a fine blend of everything there. The pepper, how garnished it is, the more fish, and the meat is also, just like she said earlier, well cooked and well. So I'm enjoying my meal. I actually wish you guys can join me. I'll rate it the 90.
Not bad.
alright, thank you so much. Thank you. So beautiful people, we've come to the end of today's show. Thank you so much, Mr. Kenny, for coming. We really enjoyed your food, okay? Yeah, on behalf of Rejoice Screen and Production Crew, we are presenting this to you. Thanks so much. We hope the next time when we invite you, you will come. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it as well. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe video, and leave your comments at the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. If you would like to advertise on the show or sponsor this show, please you can reach out to us via rejoicescreen@gmail.com or go to our Instagram @rejoicescreen. And we will see you in our next one. Bye.